Here, I will show you two different ways to convert a photo into PDF on your iPhone. The first method is from Photos app. So go to your Photos app and open the photo that you want to convert to a PDF. Now just tap on the share icon. In here, go down and tap on print. Now just tap on the share icon, and here, as you can see, the photo already converted into a PDF document. Here we can see it's a PDF document. Now it's time to save this PDF. So select here save to files and select a folder to save the PDF. I'm selecting on my iPhone and AR folder. Let's save the PDF. Now to see the exported PDF, let's go to Files app and select on my iPhone AR folder, and in here we can see the PDF that I just converted from a photo. And now if you have a photo on your Files app and now you want to convert the photo to PDF, here's how to do it. Go to your Files app and search for the photo that you want to convert into a PDF. For example, this photo. So I'm just long pressing on this photo, and here I'm tapping on quick actions and tapping on create PDF, and that's it. Here, as you can see, the photo successfully converted into a PDF. Thanks for watching.